The mass of a sheet of metal varies jointly with its area and its thickness. A sheet of metal of area 250 centimeters square and thickness 1 millimeter has a mass of 200 grams. Find the formula which connects the mass mg, that is mass m, that is in gram, the area A centimeter square, and the thickness T millimeter. B. Hence, find the mass of a piece of metal of area 400 centimeter square and thickness 3 millimeter. Solution. Solution to the problem. From the first statement, the mass of a sheet of metal varies jointly with its area. What is the notation for area here? A. Area A and its thickness. Thickness what? Thickness T. Thickness T. So let's interpret that. Varies jointly, that is, varies directly to area, varies directly with area A and also its thickness T. So now let's interpret that. So we can now have for the mass is represented by M. Don't forget mass M. So M varies as what? The product of the area, which is A, and what? Thickness, which is T. So M varies directly as AT. So this is an example of a joint variation. So now, in this case, we have M to be what? By changing this symbol to equality sign. M equals to KAT. K there is the constant of variation. Take note. Now, the next thing for us to do is to move to the second statement. A sheet of metal of area 250 centimeters square. What's the area? 250 centimeters square. And thickness. Thickness is T. That's 1 millimeter. And has, what is the mass? Mass M is equals to 200 what? 200 grams. So let's substitute. Anywhere we see M, we put what? 200. 200 is equals to what? Want to find K from here. What is A? A is 250. Then what is T? T is what? 1. That is 1. So in this case, we need to find K. So we write 200 is equals to what? 250 times 1 is what? 250. So we have at the right hand side 250K. So how do we find K? What is the number in front of K? That is 250. So it means that we are going to divide both sides by 250. Dividing both sides by 250, what do we have? 250K divided by 250. Then dividing both sides, we have here at the right hand side 250 here 1, 250 here 1. So at the left hand side, we can say 0 goes with 0. Now we can now have 20 divided by 25. We can also reduce that. What number will divide 20 and 25 at the same time such that there will not be any remainder? And that is 5. 20 divided by 5, what do we have? 4. 25 divided by 5, what do we have? 5. So it means that K is what? 4 over 5. The value of K is 4 over 5. That's the value of K. Now, since we have K to be 4 over 5, we can now write a relationship connecting M and A and T. That is M, A, and T together. So let's write the relationship. The relationship connecting M, A, and T. Now from here, look at what we have. From this place, M equals to what? We have M equals to K. Instead of writing K now, we write what? 4 over 5 AT. 4 over 5 AT. So that's the relationship connecting M, A, and T. So look at the question. Say, find the formula which connects mass M in gram, the area A in centimeter square, and the thickness T in millimeter. So this is the answer to the question. We have solved A. Now let's go to B part. The solution to B. Hence, find the mass of a piece of metal of area what? Of area 400 centimeter square. And thickness T to be what? 3 millimeter. We are now asked to look for what? We are asked to find mass M. Question mark. We are still going to use the result we have here from our A part. So in this case, we write M equals to what? Anywhere we see A, we substitute A as what? 400. So we have 400 into bracket what? 3, which is T. Now, we simplify. We can say 5 here 1 and 5 in 40 or 5 in 400 will give us what? 80. 400 divided by 5, that is 80. So we now have M to be equals to 4 times 80 times 3. Now, in this case, what do we have? What is 4 times 80? That is 8 times 4, that is 32. So 4 times 80 will give us what? 320 times, we now have times 3. Now, what do we have as our answer? 32 times 3 will give us 96. So 320 times 3 will give us 960. Then, since we are looking at mass, so 960 grams. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.